Hey Zero Semester students, welcome back to EduTube. If you've been following our previous videos, you're doing great. Today we're jumping into Lecture 25, Median, Empirical Relation, and Quartiles. Sounds tricky? Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step so it's super easy to understand. Grab your notes and let's get started. Ever wonder how we can find the middle of a set of numbers or break them into smaller parts to understand them better? In this lecture, we'll cover median, empirical relation, and quartiles. These concepts will help you with data in a much easier way, and you'll see how they can make analyzing numbers a lot simpler. Lecture breakdown. We'll talk about three things today. 1. Median. 2. Empirical relation. 3. Quartiles. 1. Median. What is median? The median is the middle value in a list of numbers when they're arranged in order. For example, 1. If the numbers are 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, the median is 7 because it's in the middle. 2. If there are even numbers in the list, like 1, 4, 7, 10, you average the two middle numbers, so the median is 4 plus 7, 2 equals sign 5.5. Why is it useful? The median helps us find the center of a set of numbers, especially when there are extreme values, like very high or very low numbers, that might confuse the average. 2. Empirical relation. What is the empirical relation? The empirical relation is a rule that helps us understand the connection between mean, median, and mode. It uses a simple formula to give an approximate value for the mode using the mean and median. Here's the formula. Mode 3x median. 2x mean. What do these terms mean? 1. Mean, the average of all the numbers. 2. Median, the middle number in a list of numbers. 3. Mode, the number that appears the most in a list. How to use the empirical relation formula. Let's make this super easy. If we have a set of numbers like this, 3, 5, 5, 7, 8, we can calculate 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 equals sign 28, divide by the number of numbers, 5 in this case. 28 divided 5 equals 5. 6. So the mean equals sign 5.63, 5578. The middle number is 5. So the median equal sign 5. So the mode equals sign 5. Now let's apply the empirical relation. Using the formula, mode 3x median, 2x mean, substitute the values. Mode 3x5, 2x5.6, mode 15, 11.2, mode 3.8. What does this tell us? Using the formula, we got an approximate mode of 3.8, which is close to our actual mode of 5. So, the empirical relation is a quick way to estimate the mode using the mean and median. It's helpful when you don't have the actual mode, but want to check how close the numbers are. In simple words, the empirical relation helps you guess the mode using the mean and median. It's not 100% exact, but it gives you a close answer. 3. What are quartiles? Quartiles are like dividing a group of people into 4 equal parts based on their scores or data. Imagine you have a class of students, and you want to divide them into 4 groups based on how well they did in a test. 1. Q1, first quartile. This is the point where 25% of the students scored lower than this point. 2. Q2, second quartile. This is the median, the middle value. 2. Half of the students scored below this and half scored above it. 3. Q3, third quartile. This is the point where 75% of the students scored lower than this point. So, quartiles help us understand how data is spread out in 4 parts. How to calculate quartiles? Let's use some simple numbers as an example. Data set 1, 4, 7, 10, 15. To find the median, we need to find the middle number in the list. In this case, the list is 1, 4, 7, 10, 15. The middle number is 7. So Q2 equals sign 7. This is the middle value in the data. Now look at the first half of the data. 1, 4. The middle of these two numbers is 4, so Q1 equals sign 4. This means that 25% of the data is below 4. Now look at the second half of the data. 10, 15. The middle value here is 10, so Q3 equals sign 10. This means that 75% of the data is below 10. What is the interquartile range, IQR? The IQR is the difference between Q3 and Q1. It tells us how spread out the middle 50% of the data is. Formula IQR equals sign Q3. Q1, in our case, IQR equals sign 10, 4 equals sign 6. This means the middle 50% of the data is spread out by 6 units. Summary. 1. Q1 equals sign 4, the value where 25% of data lies below it. 2. Q2, median, equals sign 7, the middle value of the data. 3. Q3 equals sign 10, the value where 75% of the data lies below it. 4. IQR equals sign 6, the difference between Q3 and Q1. Real-life example. If you want to understand quartiles in simpler terms, imagine you have a group of 4 students who scored 1, 4, 7, 10, and 15 in a test. Quartiles help you divide the students into groups. 1. First quartile, Q1. The first 25% of the students scored below 4. 2. Median, Q2. Half the students scored below 7, half scored above. 3. Third quartile, Q3. 75% of the students scored below 10. Conclusion. So today we learned 1. Median, the middle value in a set of numbers. 2. Empirical relation, how the mean, median, and mode are connected. 3. Quartiles, how we divide data into 4 parts to understand its spread. Quick revision. 1. Median, middle number when arranged in order. 2. Empirical relation, how the mean, median, and mode relate to each other in balanced and unbalanced data. 3. Quartiles, divide data into 4 equal parts, helps to see how data is spread. Outro, that's a wrap for today! I hope this video helped make median, empirical relation, and quartiles much clearer. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EduTube. Also, check out our previous videos covering Lectures 17 to 24 to stay on track with your Math 001 final exam prep.